I'm Volker Kugel. I'm the director of the Blühendes Barock in Ludwigsburg. The Blühendes Barock is the palace garden around the Ludwigsburg Residence Palace. The garden is 24 hectares, which is about 30 football fields. We've been doing this since 1954. In total, we have 2 periods of planting in the park. In spring, about 300,000 pansies and forget-me-nots, and several 100,000 tulips and daffodils are planted. Then at the end of May, we plant the summer flowers, which our gardening team has to do every year, and of course keep caring for. That's one of our trademarks, that we are an expertly maintained park, and it's actually worth coming here every day. We also work with the equipment here in the Blühendes Barock during the opening hours of the park. We thought it would be better for the visitors if we gradually replaced the gasoline machines with battery machines, which are much quieter and produce no exhaust fumes. And we've received very positive feedback from our guests, who say they think it's great that we're doing this. When it comes to equipping our team, we attach great importance to being at the forefront of technical progress. That means we want to become more sustainable, and you can only do that if you use the latest technologies. We've been doing that for many years, from using battery technology and electric vehicles to installing photovoltaic systems. My job is incredibly varied. No 2 days are the same. Sometimes no 2 hours are the same, and that's what is still a lot of fun for me. We have a family here. We only have a maximum of 60 employees. And it's like in a family, everyone is allowed to make a mistake. We have to be able to admit the mistake, starting with the boss. And that's how we treat each other with respect. I am proud that we have a very positive atmosphere in the team. That is simply crucial. But what's also nice is that I feel that our guests appreciate us positively by visiting us not just once, but regularly. So it's just a lot of fun to work here.